So guys, today I got an Honda CRV 2014 model. The problem of the car is no crank. The ignition light is all on but no crank. When I press ignition light on, press pedal, no crank. So we're gonna start it. We're gonna scan it first. Okay, Honda. Honda. Okay, here's a Honda CRV 2014. We go to the engine. Okay, so here is shows that starter cut relay and other things. So we're gonna check what's the problem. Okay, but no crank, no start. Everything is here, no crank, no start. Okay, so first we're gonna check the starter, whether the current is coming or not. We have one test light, this one, and here we will take it, this one. This is the starter socket here, and then we're gonna check. Well, there is no current in starter, no current is means, and then we check our starter directly, starter got crank or not. Okay, now we put on positive, and then okay, so when we give okay, engine here can start. Okay, it means the problem with start, not the with starter but with other things. So we're gonna switch off our engine. Okay, and then we're gonna find the starter relay. Where is the starter relay? Okay, so when we see the fuse box looks like that. So the starter relay is here, this one, for this model. This is starter relay, this one, and another one is fuel pump relay. This one is for fuel pump relay. So sometime when we gonna start, engine can crank but no start, it means the fuel pump relay. This one is a fuel pump and this one is a starter relay. So the problem with our starter relay, this one, when this got spoiled, the engine cannot crank. But we check, sometimes starter spoiled but cannot crank. So if we want to check, we check like this. Just now we check it, we just put on positive and the ignition is coming and we're gonna start. Yeah, like this. It means the starter is okay. The problem with fuse or relay. So here is the relay. We're gonna replace it and then we try it. Let's see how. So we put back the wire again. Yeah, we put back the wire with starter connector, this one. Okay guys, so here is the socket. The socket, we gotta put it back. Yes, and this one, the socket, starter socket is this one, this hope you guys can see. This one is starter near the battery, this one, because if we want gonna find the starter, their wire cannot find so easily. Here, this is the clip for starter, this one. So now we're gonna replace the relay and let's see how. Now we put back relay back. This is the starter relay. Yes, okay. And then guys, sometimes if no crank, no start, it's mean this relay or this one, fuel pump. And now we're gonna start it again. Okay, we switch off the ignition and then switch on ignition, and then we're gonna clear the code, fault codes. Okay, the memory already completed, no fault code anymore. Now we're gonna start it. Okay, 1 2 3. Okay guys, so our engine is already start. You guys can see, yeah, everything is fine. It means sometime is fuel relay or starter relay. If both spoiled, your engine cannot crank and cannot start. So after we switch off, we ignition on and see again. Let's see got any code or not. So no fault code. Okay guys, so today for this one there is a 2 relay only, but we need to focus on this one for starting problem. Again, I'm gonna show you. This is the fuse box. You need to fuse also check. I show about relays. This is for fuel pump and this is for starter and fuel pump. Okay, we need to check both this. If no crank, no start, this both. Okay, so guys, today our video is finished, so let's see you guys in another video. Thank you. Yeah, works fine and everything. Sometimes the starter relay problem, starter motor problem, then no engine, no crank, no start also. But if relay problem also same. So the fuse, sometimes the fuse is here under the hood. This one, some fuse is here under the hood and other is there in front. So we need to check the fuse first, then relay, and then we need to check the current of the starter. Okay guys, so the problem is solved. See you in next video. Thank you so much. Here's the model, this one, all-wheel drive Honda CR-V. This is the K24 engine. That day I make a video regarding the engine cold start, no noise. That is the VTC equator, and today no start. That's the problem of here. So first of all, you guys need to check this starter relay, starter socket. If there is a current, then no need, then just check the relay or fuse. If your starter motor spoil, we need to replace the starter motor. Okay guys, thank you so much, have a good day.